This guide is about a simple idea, you know. It is the see-do-eat idea. You can see amazing sights. You can do fun and easy things. And you can eat wonderful food. This small country is full of big experiences. It has tall mountains that touch the sky. It has clear blue lakes that reflect the clouds. It has clean cities with old histories. And it has quiet villages where life moves at a slower pace. You do not need to feel rushed here. The country is small, and travel is very easy and efficient. The trains run on time, and they take you almost everywhere you want to go. This essay will act as your friendly travel companion. We will talk about what makes Switzerland so special. The words will be simple, the sentences will be short. The goal is to give you clear ideas for your trip. We will explore the best places to see. We will look at activities that anyone can enjoy, from a gentle walk to a scenic boat ride. We will also discover the foods that you should try, from melted cheese to sweet chocolate. This guide is designed to help you plan a short and memorable visit without feeling overwhelmed. Think of Switzerland as a perfectly organized adventure. The natural beauty is everywhere. You can wake up in a city and be on top of a mountain in just a couple of hours. The transportation system makes this possible. It connects the busy cities with the peaceful countryside seamlessly. Sample one-day plans will show you how to mix city sights with natural wonders and make the most of your time. Let's start with what you will see. Switzerland's landscape is dominated by its mountains. The Alps are the soul of the country. They are a constant, beautiful backdrop. You will see towering white peaks covered in snow even in the summer. Below them, you will find lush green valleys where cows graze peacefully. Two of the most famous mountains are the Matterhorn. The Matterhorn, near the town of Zermatt, has a unique, sharp peak that looks like a shark's tooth. The Jungfrau is part of a massive wall of mountains in the Bernese Oberland. The views from these high places are vast and unforgettable. The lakes are another essential part of the Swiss picture. They are often calm, clear, a stunning shade of blue or green. Lake Geneva is one of the largest in Europe. Geneva, Montreux. Lake Lucerne is nestled among mountains and feels dramatic with historic towns on the water's edge. Chapel Bridge. Lake Zurich sits by the country's biggest city, offering a place to relax and swim. These lakes are not just for looking at, perfect for a gentle walk or a relaxing boat ride for a new perspective. Swiss cities offer a wonderful mix of the old and the new. Zurich is a global center for banking and business, yet has a charming old town. Geneva is cosmopolitan, home to many international organizations, and it sits gracefully by its lake. Bern, the capital, feels like a large, relaxed town with beautiful medieval arcades and a famous clock tower that comes to life every hour. Lucerne is perhaps the most picturesque, small and walkable, famous for its covered wooden bridges and stunning lakeside setting. Beyond the cities, small villages show the traditional heart of Switzerland. They often feel like they are from a storybook. Places like Grindelwald, Zermatt, are classic mountain towns with wooden chalets and flowers spilling from every window box. They are incredibly clean, quiet, and safe. In these villages, you can experience a slower pace of life. You can feel the fresh mountain air and hear the gentle sound of cowbells. Visiting a small village is a perfect way to connect with the simple, timeless beauty of the Swiss Alps and the people who live there. Now let's talk about what you can do. Riding the trains is an activity in itself. Swiss trains are famous for being punctual, clean, and comfortable. Special panoramic trains, like the Glacier Express and Bernina Express, have huge windows that curve up to the ceiling. Sit back and watch dramatic landscapes of mountains, valleys, bridges roll by. For many visitors, a Swiss travel pass is a great investment. It covers most trains, buses, and boats for one price. Taking short, easy hikes is a must. Thousands of well-marked paths, many flat and suitable for all fitness levels. Take a cable car up a mountain and walk along a scenic ridge. The air is fresh. The views are endless. The peace is profound. Wear comfortable shoes and bring a light jacket. Mountain weather can change quickly. Cable cars and funiculars whisk you from valley to peak in minutes. Float over forests and cliffs. See glaciers, or have lunch with views for miles. Boat rides are calm and relaxing. See the shoreline, small towns, and grand mountains from the water. Hop off to explore and catch the next boat. Now for the best part, what to eat. Swiss food is often simple, hearty, delicious. You cannot talk about Swiss food without talking about cheese. Swiss people love their cheese, and you will too. The two most famous cheese dishes are fondue and raclette. Fondue, a bubbling pot of melted Gruyere and Emmentaler with wine and garlic. Use long forks to dip bread into the communal pot. Raclette. A large wheel is heated and the melted layer scraped onto your plate, typically served with boiled potatoes, pickles, and onions. Both are warm, social meals perfect for a cool evening. Chocolate is the other star. Smooth, creamy, rich. Shops sell everything from simple bars to exquisite truffles. Visit a chocolate factory like the Lindt Home of Chocolate near Zurich or Maison Caillère in Bruck, or enjoy a cozy local shop. A hot chocolate on a chilly day feels incredibly luxurious. Swiss bakeries are fantastic. Crusty rolls to dense rye, croissants and apple tarts. Try rosti, a golden, crispy potato cake, and a grilled wurst with mustard for a quick, authentic lunch. Here is a simple plan for one day in a beautiful Swiss city. Let's choose Lucerne. It is small, charming, and easy to explore on foot. Start your morning with a walk along the shore of Lake Lucerne. The views of the water and nearby mountains are stunning in the morning light. Make your way to the famous Chapel Bridge. As you walk across, look up at the triangular paintings that tell stories from Lucerne's history. After crossing the bridge, you might find a small local market. Buy a fresh roll or some fruit for a snack. For the middle of the day, take a short boat ride. Boats leave from the dock near the station. Even a 1-hour round trip offers a wonderful perspective of the city and Mount Pilatus and Mount Rigi. The ride is calm and relaxing. Rest your feet, enjoy fresh air, and capture some of your best photos from the deck. In the afternoon, wander Lucerne's old town, a maze of narrow cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and charming squares. Climb towers on the old city walls for free views. Stop at a cozy cafe, order a coffee and try Luzerner Chugali Pastate or a simple apple tart. Just sit and watch the world go by. For dinner, choose a traditional Swiss restaurant for fondue or raclette, or fresh lake fish by the river. Afterward, take a gentle stroll. The city lights reflecting on calm water feel magical. Now let's plan a day in the mountains. The area around Interlaken, the Jungfrau Region, is a perfect base. Start from Interlaken Ost by train. Change to a cogwheel train that climbs steeply. The views get more spectacular as you go higher. Your destination could be the Jungfrau Joch, top of Europe, or Kleine Scheidegg, or Grindelwald First for different views and activities. At midday, take a short, well-marked trail. Even at high elevations, there are easy paths. Photograph massive glaciers, Eiger, Mönch, Jungfrau. The air is thin and crisp. Walk slowly and take your time. Find a bench or a mountain restaurant for tea or a simple lunch while you soak in 360-degree views. In the afternoon, begin your journey back, often via a different route, perhaps up via Grindelwald and down via Wengen and Lauterbrunnen. If you have energy, ride to Harderkolm for a grand overview of Interlaken between Lakes Thun and Brienz. For your evening meal, embrace a cozy mountain inn. Ordering cheese fondue or raclette after a day in fresh air feels just right. Warm, delicious, and social. The best time to visit Switzerland depends on what you want to do, you know. Summer, June-August, is most popular. Warm, sunny weather, ideal for hiking and boat trips, swimming, long daylight. It is the busiest and most expensive time. Book hotels and special scenic trains well in advance. Popular tops are crowded. Autumn, September-October, is beautiful and often overlooked. Crowds thin, weather stays pleasant, and leaves glow gold, red, and orange. Great for lower hikes and city time. Hotel prices may be a little lower. The air is peaceful and crisp. Winter, December-March, transform Switzerland into a snowy wonderland. Skiing, snowboarding, snowshoeing. Cities are less crowded, with Christmas markets and warm cafes. Many cable cars and mountain railways run, offering stunning vistas. Pack warm clothes, coat, gloves, and a hat. Spring, April, May, awakens the land. Valley snow melts, meadows bloom. Weather is changeable. It's low season with good deals on flights and rooms. While many high trails remain closed, it's lovely for cities, lakeside walks, and tranquil scenery returning to life. Choose the season that fits your plans. Each offers its own kind of beauty. It is important to be honest about money. Switzerland is an expensive country. Food, accommodation, and activities can cost more than in many European destinations. Plan your budget in advance. A simple meal at a casual restaurant might be 25-35 CHF. A city center hotel room will likely be over 200 CHF per night. Save by visiting supermarkets like Coop and Migros and by using bakeries. High-quality bread, cheese, cured meats, and prepared salads. Assemble a fantastic picnic to enjoy by a lake or on a trail. Inexpensive and memorable. Many supermarkets have self-service restaurants with hot meals at lower prices. Ask for tap water. It is safe, clean, and free. Buying bottled water adds up quickly. Small choices make a big difference in daily spending. If taking several long train trips and mountain rides, consider a Swiss travel pass, 3, 4, 8, or 15 consecutive days. It covers unlimited trains, buses, boats, 500+ museums free, and 50% off many mountain lifts. Do the math. Seek free activities, city old towns, marked hikes, viewpoints. Some cities offer guest cards with free local transport and small attraction discounts. Mix splurges with simpler pleasures. Getting around is incredibly easy thanks to a world-class public transportation system. The trains are the star, clean, efficient, and on time. The network is extensive, connecting major cities and reaching deep into mountain valleys. Buy at machines, counters, or online via the SBB app. Great for timetables and platform numbers in English. For short trips, point-to-point tickets are fine. For lots of travel, the Swiss Travel Pass simplifies everything. Just hop on and show your pass. Panoramic trains like the Glacier Express still require a seat reservation for a small fee, even with the pass. Book scenic trains well in advance, especially in summer. They can sell out. Don't forget buses and boats. The yellow post buses link stations to smaller villages, and your pass often covers them. Boats connect lakeside towns and double as scenic cruises, a relaxing break between walks and train rides. Mountain lifts, cable cars, gondolas, funiculars are often private. The pass typically gives 50% off. Fees can be high, but the access and views are worth it. City trams and buses are efficient. Guest cards may include them. So we come to the end of our simple guide. Switzerland is a country that truly delivers on its promises. Landscapes that look like postcards. Deep green valleys. Towering white peaks. Unbelievably blue lakes. It is a place to do things both active and relaxing. Walk an easy mountain path, enjoy a calm boat ride, or watch the world glide by from a scenic train. And it is a place to eat. Warm cheese, fresh bread, world-famous chocolate. Remember the see to eat idea as you plan your trip. See, do, eat. It helps to keep things simple. Don't try to do too much in one day. Choose one main site or activity. Maybe one day is a city day. The next, a mountain day. Give yourself time to appreciate the calm, orderly pace of Swiss life. It's not a country to rush through. It is extremely safe. Use common sense, drink water, and use sunscreen. Learn a few local words. Grüezi. Bonjour. Be open to the experience. Let the beauty impress you and the trains delight you. Go see the Matterhorn reflected in a lake. Go walk through wildflowers. Go eat warm raclette. Your Swiss adventure is waiting. It is time to see, to do, and to eat.